I'm Scott Horsburgh, welcome to Yelling Up Steading. Today's DVD is all about the carcass construction of this sideboard. There are many ways in which we can put a carcass together, and this is just one way. When I was designing this piece, I wanted to have the interior of the sideboard a nice light colour. So I didn't want to use Jarrah on the inside, so that meant I really needed to veneer so that I could have Jarrah on the outside and a nice light wood on the inside of the carcass to help brighten it. All of the panels are veneered. These two horizontal panels and these two vertical panels are veneered and also have a Jarrah lip front and back, which are the rails that you can see. I like to glue up in small manageable stages so that I can be very confident that things are going as planned and everything is working out. I'm going to show you the 8 different glue ups that I did to prepare this carcass and a few other things associated with bringing it home. I hope you get a lot out of this DVD. Let's get started. This is one of the end frames. It's a very basic frame and panel construction. Everything is mortise and tenoned except for this top front and back rail, which I'm using dominoes for. The panel has a tongue and the frame has a groove. So it's a standard frame and panel with tongue and grooved joinery. I put the frame together dry so that I could accurately measure the dimensions of the panel. Then I cut the panel, making sure that I was including the tongue that was to go into the housing right the way around. You can see that I've, rather than have the panel flush with the frame, I have left a 1mm gap right the way around. That's just to create a nice shadow line and sort of give it the appearance of being solid. It's veneered, so I'm not concerned about the movement of this panel because it won't expand and contract with changing humidity. It will stay exactly as it is. If it were solid, I would be concerned, and you would definitely see a gap, and it would be wider than 1mm on each side. Before I did glue this up, I have finished this panel so that I could run beautifully off the ends with the cloth. Once it's glued in, it's difficult to finish down and up into here because you can't run off. So I've finished the panel inside and out, and I've also finished these inside edges that I wouldn't be able to get to once it's glued up.